Hey, here's my 15 pack of self-adhesive wraps. Here's the box that it came in. I did already use this one, that's why it's out of the package. Here's the bandage itself on my fiance's foot. She sprained her ankle there, but it's a nice color. Gives her a little bit extra stability. They're all 2 inches wide by 5 yards long. These are self-adhesive. These are awesome if you want to switch out your wraps and have a lot of choices to choose from. My fiance bought these, and these go with all of her outfits for her sprained ankle. But I like that you have flexibility to switch these out. You won't run out of these anytime soon. You don't want to use the same dingy bandage wrap over and over and over again. This gives you that flexibility to have something clean and something that will stick right on and fit. Just kind of wrap my hand here. These do fit pretty tight. It sticks right on. It will rip right off. You probably want to cut them with scissors for a cleaner cut, but these do tear pretty easy if you want to do it that way.